In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate emails in Zapier. So this works no matter what you're trying to do. So first of all, you want to create Zap and click New Zap. And now you want to figure out what do you want to do. So honestly, you can do whatever you want. Let's say we want to have the trigger as Gmail. Let's say every time we get a new email, we want that to be the trigger. Alternatively, you could have it as every time you get a Discord message, you want to send someone an email. Whatever the trigger is, whatever you want the trigger to be, you can set that. So I want Gmail to be the trigger. New email. Every time I get a new email, I want that to be the trigger. Continue. Connect your account up. Connect to mine. Press continue. You can select the mailbox. You can just do inbox, chat, send, whatever you want. And then you can click test. And what test is going to do is going to just make sure everything's connected up well. Okay, so now we've got the trigger set. Every time you get an email, it's going to trigger it. Now, the action. What do you want this to do? Let's say you want to filter it. You can click filter here and you can set a condition. So if the person, new email, let's say new email, I set that up. Let's say the name of the person who sent it is Thomas. I know you're looking for a message from Thomas. Then you can set that as a you can set this as the filter. So you can put, if the name is Thomas, then send to Discord. So you connect up with Discord. You can put send messaging channel. Link this all up. You can pick the channel here. Message. So you can go to here and you can select all the different variables. And what you could do is you could put the message of the content and the username. So what would happen is every time, so you'd get an email here that would trigger it. This would select, is the email from Thomas? If it is, then it would go down to this step, which will be get the email from Thomas and send it into the Discord channel. So I don't know if that's what you want to do, you could do that. Alternatively, you could have every time someone sends a message in Discord, you can have this emailed. If it's from a certain unique user, you can have this emailed to somewhere. There's tons of different things you can do with this. Just fiddle around with it and, trial and error. When you're ready, you can hit continue, publish, turn it on, and that will work. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.